You can see here that the flames from the barbecue are coming out very large, not at all even, so the food will burn rather than evenly cooking. So we've now removed the heating stones once the barbecue has cooled down. You can see here how the burner unit has just completely rusted through. This should be the top surface. It's just completely gone. Fortunately, this whole unit is available as a spares item, a replacement part, so we just need to remove it and put the replacement in. One thing to remember before you take anything apart, first of all, make sure everything's cooled down, but just as importantly, make sure you've turned off the gas supply before you start work on the barbecue. You can see just underneath the burner unit, either side, there are two struts, and those have a Phillips screw underneath. We just need to get underneath the barbecue, put Phillips screwdriver in, and that will then release this to come off. We've now removed Phillips screws that were holding this on, and lift it out. You can then see under here where the two Phillips screws go, and we now can get the replacement burner unit and fit it in. When you look to reassemble the burner unit, you'll find that the gauze goes on first, followed by the padding, and then finally put the pipe on, and again Phillips screwdriver, fix in the screws at either end, and then repeat for the other side. So I'm just going to do that, and we'll then have that ready to go on the barbecue. I've now assembled the new burner unit. You can see the pipes are on, same as the old one. Main difference you can see there is how corroded the old one is. You'll see underneath the barbecue that putting the pipes on, it's just a push fit, so those just clip over or push onto the gas pipes. There's nothing that needs to be tightened up or screwed, you just need to make sure that they push on firmly. Just tightened up the screws underneath that hold the burner in place, and now we just want to test to see how it starts. You can see the burner is now giving a nice even flame all the way round, which is what we needed. And burner units all in place, all ready for the perfect barbecue.